Lesson 1. Number System. In the previous classes, we have learnt about the 5 and 6-digit numbers. Let us revise them. Indian Place Value System. In Indian Place Value System, a 5-digit number has 2 periods and 6-digit number has 3 periods. International Place Value System. In International Place Value System, a 5-digit number and 6-digit number have 2 periods each. 7-digit, 8-digit and 9-digit numbers. We have revised numbers up to 5 and 6 digits. Now let us add 1 to 999999, the greatest 6-digit number. We get 10000000. It is the smallest 7-digit number and we read it as 10 lakh. In the place value table, the 7th place is called the 10 lakhs place. In short, we denote it as TL. Similarly, if we add 1 to the largest 7-digit number, 999999, we get 1 crore. It is the smallest 8-digit number and is read as 1 crore. In the place value table, the 8th place is the crores places. If we add 1 to the largest 8-digit number, 99999999, we get 10 crores. It is the smallest 9-digit number and is read as 10 crore. In the place value table, the 9th place is the 10 crores place, TC. Indian System of Numeration. In the Indian Place Value Chart, we group the 9 places into 4 periods. These periods from the right to left are ones, thousands, lakhs and crores. Periods in the Indian Place Value Chart. Starting from the right, the first 3 places make the ones period, the next 2 places make the thousands period, the next 2 places make the lakhs period and the next 2 places make the crores period. Reading and writing 7-digit, 8-digit and 9-digit numbers. While writing a number, we separate the periods by using commas. While reading a number, all the digits in the same period are read together and the name of the period except the ones is read along with them. Example, read and write the numbers. 1, 3259853, 2, 217666547, 3, 7967444563. We can also write the numerals by leaving gaps between the periods instead of using commas. Solution 1. 32, 59, 853. 32 lakhs period, first 2 digits. 59,000 thousands period, next 2 digits. 853 ones period, last 3 digits. It is read and written as 32,59,853. 2, 2, 17, 66, 547, to crores period, first 1 digit. 17 lakhs period, next 2 digits. 66,000 thousands period, next 2 digits. 547 ones period, last 3 digits. It is read and written as 2,17,66,547. 3, 79, 67, 44, 563, 79 crores period, first 2 digits. 67 lakhs period, next 2 digits. 44,000 thousands period, next 2 digits. 563 ones period, last 3 digits. It is read and written as 79,67,44,563. International System of Numeration. In this system of numeration, we group the numbers into periods, starting from the right called ones, thousands, millions and billions. The place value chart in the International System of Numeration is given as follows. Periods in the International Place Value Chart. While moving from the right, we group 3 digits at a time. In this system, first 3 digits are read together, the next 3 digits on the left are read with the names period. Like in the Indian Place Value Chart, we insert commas or leave a short space after each period in the International Place Value Chart too. Reading and writing 7-digit, 8-digit and 9-digit numbers. Example, read and write the numbers. A. 8,725,629. B. 52,780,461. C. 895,507,685. We can also write the numerals by leaving gaps between the periods. Solution A. 8, 725, 629. 8 million millions period, first 1 digit. 725,000 thousands period, next 3 digits. 629 ones period, last 3 digits. It is read and written as 8,725,629. B. 52, 780, 461. 52 million millions period, first 2 digits. 780,000 thousands period, next 3 digits. 461 ones period, last 3 digits. It is read and written as 52,780,461. C. 895, 507, 685. 895 million millions period, first 3 digits. 507,000 thousands period, next 3 digits. 685 ones period, last 3 digits. It is read and written as 895,507,685. Reading and writing numbers in the Indian and the International Place Value System. Example, write the number 596 to 53 to 98 in both the Indian and the International System by placing commas at the appropriate places and hence write its number name. Solution A. Placing commas according to the Indian Place Value System, we get 59, 62, 53, 298. The number is read as 59,62,53,298. B. Placing commas according to the International Place Value System, we get 596, 253, 298. The number is read as 596,253,298. Place value of a digit in a numeral. The place value of a digit depends upon its position in a numeral. Face value of a digit in a numeral is the value of the digit itself irrespective of its position. Place value is equal to face value times value of the place. Note, the place value of 0 is 0, irrespective of its place in a numeral. Example 1. Find the place value of each of the digits in the numeral 42506379. Solution. The place value chart of the given number is as under. From the place value chart, we have lakh is also written as lakh. Writing number in short and expanded form. Example 1. Write the short form of 9 into 1 crore plus 5 into 10 lakh plus 3 into 1 lakh plus 7 into 10,000 plus 5 into 1,000 plus 3 into 10 plus 4. Solution. The above expression can be written as 9000000 plus 5000000 plus 3 lakhs plus 70,000 plus 5,000 plus 30 plus 4 is equal to 95375,034. Which is its short form. Predecessor and successor of a number. Example, write the predecessor and successor of the following numbers: 32956 to 7, 63598 to 9, and 6295400. Solution, predecessor, number, successor. Successor is equal to number plus 1. Predecessor is equal to number 1. Comparing numbers. Rule 1. While comparing to numbers, the number with more digits is greater. Examples: 1. 182030578 8-digit number greater than 9378670 7-digit number. 2. 543374 6-digit number smaller than 8409431 7-digit number. Rule 2. When the number of digits in the two numbers is equal, compare the digits on the extreme left. If they are the same, compare the digits in the second place from the left and so on. The number having the greater digit in corresponding place is greater. Examples: 1. 7378606 greater than 5369005. 7. 5. 2. 6874012 greater than 6895001. 7. 9. Arranging numbers in ascending and descending order. We can arrange numbers in order by comparing them. Example: arrange 39 to 56 to 9, 46563907, 6663439 and 57903853 in descending order. Solution: applying the rules of comparison, we arrange these numbers in descending order as 57903853 greater than 46563907 greater than 6663439 greater than 39 to 56 to 9. Forming the greatest and the smallest numbers. Case 1: repetition of digits is not allowed. Example: write the greatest 6-digit number using the digits 5, 4, 9, 8, 3 and 7 only once. Solution: for writing the greatest 6-digit number, we place the greatest digit at the leftmost place and the other digits in descending order. So, the greatest 6-digit number is 9,87,543. Case 2. Repetition of digits is allowed. Example: form the greatest and the smallest 8-digit numbers using each of the digits 4, 1, 7, 0 twice. Solution: the greatest 8-digit number is equal to 77441100. The smallest 8-digit number is equal to 100144477. Rounding off numbers. We have already learnt how to round off numbers to the nearest tens, nearest hundreds and nearest thousands. Consider the following examples. 1. 42, 246 and 381 are rounded off to the nearest tens as 40, 250 and 380. 2. 560 and 3845 are rounded off to the nearest hundreds as 600 and 3800. 3. 4565, 28320 and 176600 are rounded off to the nearest thousands as 5000, 28,000 and 177000. Rounding off large numbers. Rule: to round a given number to the required place, consider the next number at the right side. If this number is 5 or more than 5, then the number at required place is increased by 1 and all the numbers at the right side become zeros. If this number at right side is less than 5, the number at the required place remains the same and all the numbers at the right side become zeros. Example 1. Round off 476918 to the nearest 10,000s. Solution: in 476918, digit at thousands place is 6, which is greater than 5. So, increase the value of the digit at 10,000s place by 1 and replace each of the digits at thousands, hundreds, tens and ones places by 0. So, the rounded number is equal to 4,80,000.